HowExpert Guide to Bike Touring, 101 Tips to Start, Learn, and Succeed in Bike Touring from A to Z. By HowExpert with Eugenia Tovar. I'm sure we have all gone through moments in life where we think this cannot be it. We start thinking about our day-to-day, we start analyzing ourselves and how we behave, and then we also draw some conclusions about everything we are discovering. We also start wondering about the little things. Is this taking me somewhere? Am I really happy doing this? What am I doing here? These are some of the questions we may ask ourselves, even if we still are searching for answers. A bike tour is a life-changing experience, and I don't think anyone would even dare to contradict this. However, the physical aspect is the easiest part of it, even if some people may raise their eyebrows, thinking that this is definitely wrong. But did you know that your mind controls absolutely everything? So, the physical aspect only comes second, especially if you are in a situation like a bike tour, where you spend a lot of time doing an activity, which is pedaling, and you have a lot of time to think about things. When you are on a bike tour, you are not only investing time in traveling somewhere in order to get to experience a different culture, but you are also investing time and effort on yourself. You are getting to explore patterns and thoughts you have held close, and you even start questioning everything you ever thought was either real or meaningful. Because a bike tour will also show you a different side of yourself, and you will end up seeing another side of the world and those who live on it. You will understand how human kindness works. You will learn to smile even if you are in pain, because you know that a sore leg at the end of your day means that you have conquered that hill on your bicycle. A bike tour will show you how to be humble and how to be grateful for everything you have allowed yourself to experience, because not many people choose to do this. And the ones that do end up going on their bicycles around the world will automatically become your brothers and sisters, because they too have experienced freedom, they too have seen humbleness, and they too have experienced human kindness. Bike touring is only an excuse to allow yourself to become self-sustainable and to find yourself again, amid all this world chaos. And once you understand how you really work, and how you can set your mind to do something and you go and do it, then that's precisely the point where a change starts to occur. And nobody will ever dare to stop this. Bike touring is not for all, but if you are starting to consider it, and if you are willing to do it, then you should know that you have many brothers and sisters around the world that will help you throughout your journey. Because we too have been there, we too have discovered the world and ourselves during a bike tour. Have you ever dreamt about going on your bicycle to a different town? Or perhaps you thought about hopping on your bike and going to a faraway country? Or maybe you were considering going to another continent? Did you know that you can materialize these dreams and turn them into your reality and your life? Then this book is perfect for you. Not only will it tell you everything you need to know about bike touring around the world, but it will also give you a glimpse of what life is like when you are finally on the road. If you want to know more about bike tours, but you are not ready to go on your own bike touring experience yet, then this book will answer a couple of questions you may have, and, hopefully, it will also show you the way to have a successful bike tour. This guide focuses on everything you need to know about bike touring, but it also gives you information about the things you must do before, during, and after a bike tour. So, if you want to experience a bike tour from the comfort of your living room, then get comfortable and start reading this book. It will be an adventure from start to finish. About the expert Eugenia Tovar has always been interested in finding alternative ways of exploring the world. She decided to embark on an unforgettable bike tour that saw her leaving her home country, Venezuela, and she ended up exploring Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru on her bicycle. Eugenia is also very interested in nature, photography, and of course, bicycles. Nowadays she is homesteading with her family on a farm, located in El Soberbio, a small town in the Argentinian-Brazilian border, where she hopes to welcome bike tourists from all over the world. Eugenia is a firm believer in personal freedom and self-sustainability, and along with her partner and toddler, they are now planning their next bike tour. HowExpert publishes quick, how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.